Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing an under eye cream that I got my hands on. Now, I have been facing a lot of under eye issues in terms of fine lines, wrinkles, puffiness and dark circles. And I was on a hunt for an under eye cream which was not too cheap and not too expensive and something that was mid-range, which is when I decided to get my hands on this Saint Botanica Pure Radiance Under Eye Cream. Now, this is available on Nykaa, Flipkart, Amazon, and I will be leaving all the links down below so you can definitely check it out. Now, I have been trying this cream since around 6 months and I am here to share my completely honest review with you all about the pros and cons about the product. So please continue watching. Now, talking about the packaging of the product, like you can see, this is what the bottle looks like. It is super luxurious and pretty for the price that it offers, and it has a total of 50 gram of product, which is super long lasting. It will easily last you up to 3 to 4 months even if you use it twice a day. And also this is made of glass, so it is absolutely not travel friendly. Please do not try throwing it into your bag and traveling with it, because if it breaks, it can get very messy. Now, the quantity and quality of this product will definitely not betray you. There is a total of 50 gram of product in this bottle and it is pretty long lasting. It will easily last you up to 3 to 4 months depending on your usage. And also the texture and consistency is very lightweight and non-greasy. Once you apply it, it quickly gets absorbed into your skin. The key ingredients of this product are vitamin C, E, B3, hyaluronic acid, silk protein, argan and frankincense oil. Hyaluronic acid in this product helps to give your skin that extra boost of hydration and lock the moisture in place without making it greasy or tacky. Vitamin C, E and B3 reduces the appearance of puffiness and also at the same time helps to brighten your under eyes. And silk protein, on the other hand, helps to boost collagen and also increase the elasticity under the eye area. So now this product claims to say that it helps to get rid of dark circles, wrinkles, puffiness, crow's feet, fine lines, and this lightweight cream hydrates, locks the moisture in place without it making it greasy or tacky, and it is great for use under makeup. Now, since I have used it for around 6 months, I can give you all my honest review. Yes, this cream definitely helps to reduce your puffiness, because when I wake up, I usually wake up with very puffy eyes, and the first thing I do is apply this cream and it instantly reduces the puffiness. It also helps to reduce your fine lines and wrinkles to a certain extent, but however your dark circles does not reduce. So that is one claim this product does not live up to, and I think no under eye cream can really get rid of your dark circles completely. That is a myth which these under eye creams come up with. Yes, it can definitely help to brighten your eyes, it can help to reduce your puffiness, but I don't know how far it can help to reduce your dark circles completely. But after I have used this, it has definitely helped to brighten my eye to a certain extent and also helped to reduce my puffiness and make this eye area look more firm and healthy. And the last thing that it says that it's great to use under makeup. I would recommend my viewers not to use this under the makeup, because it is cream based, like you can see. So once you apply your concealer, it can tend to move. So try not using this under your makeup. So I use this cream twice a day, that is morning after waking up and at night before going to bed, and it has definitely worked for me, like I said. But please don't get your hopes too high in terms of dark circles. It doesn't really get rid of that, but it will definitely help with your other concerns that you're facing. So all you need is a pea-sized amount and you just need to apply it over here and just like dab it. Do not rub it, just dab it inside your eye and let it settle. So once it gets absorbed, you will not find it tacky or greasy at all, which is one thing I absolutely loved about it. And a small disclaimer that I would like to share with all my viewers is, please do a patch test before going in with this. See if it has any reaction. If it does, please discontinue use. It is always very important to do a patch test before trying any product. So this brings us to the end of the review. All in all, I would rate this product 4 out of 5 as it definitely did work for me. It helped my eyes look more firm, bright and healthier. However, I would like to tell all my viewers that please do not expect a miracle overnight, as any product takes 30 to 40 days to show any kind of visible difference. So you need to be patient and give this product its time to do its work and show you the difference that I am talking about. And apart from that, the fragrance is a little overpowering, so that is something the brand can work on. And also the packaging, like I said, it's not travel friendly, but it is super luxurious. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all soon in my next one. Until then, stay beautiful and stay healthy.